I always try to update the game with an exciting new feature on the 1st and 15th days of every month. Today is an exception. I'm updating the game today on the 31st because I won't have a good opportunity to do so over the next few days. April 1st is a special day and will have a special video. April 2nd, 2014 is the day that I began developing Yandere Simulator. Because April 2nd is the 2-year anniversary of Yandere Sim, I will use that day to create a video about the biggest obstacles currently facing the game's development. After that, I will release a video examining the design of a recently released stealth game and how Yandere Simulator might be able to benefit by learning some lessons from that game. After that, I will release a video elaborating on my plans for one of the game's clubs. After that, I will return to programming the game's next big feature, and hopefully implement it by April 15th. It's possible that some of these videos might be delayed by a few days, depending on how long it actually takes to create the videos. The new build that I am uploading today doesn't actually contain a big new feature. I'm very happy with the progress that I've made over the past 2 weeks, but the next huge feature just isn't ready yet. The reason I'm updating the game today is because I don't want to let too much time pass without uploading a new build with bug fixes and additions. The good news is that today's build probably contains more bug fixes and minor additions than any previous build of the game. I spent much of the past 2 weeks fixing a lot of minor issues that had been bothering me for a very long time, and optimizing my code so that it will be easier and quicker for me to add new features in the future. I also added a bunch of little things that I've wanted to see in the game for a long time, such as the original hairstyle and uniform that were designed for Yandere-chan way back in 2014. Because I was halfway through implementing the game's next feature when I created this build, you'll find a lot of things that are only 50% operational. For example, I've added a new character to the game who will have an important purpose, but they don't actually move around yet. You'll notice a few new objects around school, but only some of them are operational. If you pause the game and take a look at the favors menu, you'll notice that I've begun to implement the game's next important feature, but it's not 100% finished yet. This is what I'd like to call an interim build. In other words, it's a build that exists at the halfway point between the last big feature and the next big feature, with a large number of bug fixes and minor additions, but no huge additions. I hope that you'll look forward to all of the videos that I plan to release in April. Thank you for following the development of Yandere Simulator.